Hello sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman akong saan tayo maglalaro ng game na pinamagatan na Fears of Atom at ang episode 3 mismo na pinangalanan na Carson House. So, meron ako konting alam sa game na to. Okay, meron na. Dahil na-spoil na ako, nakakainis. So yeah, simulan agad natin itong video na to. Let's go na. Fears of Atom, episode 3. Carson House. September 24. My name is Noah. I'm a 28 years old from the Midwest. I have no idea why I am sending this, but I hope my story can be a lesson. This happened to me when I was 18. But parang kaparehas lang siya nung, yung sa episode 2 or something. But I remember this incident like yesterday as a trauma dictated a major part of my life. Okay. For a little background, my dad was a realtor and almost always become friend with his client. One day he came home and pitched me a small job offer for the weekend. One of his old clients was going away for a few days and needed somebody he could trust to watch over his house. That it? The man worked as a COO at a local media company. Dad told me the man would pay me $100 just to watch the house and do some basic chores. I accepted the offer as I had nothing interesting going for the weekend. Besides, I thought I could use the time to get my schoolwork done. Nice one. Plus, I wasn't picky where my pocket money came from. My dad drove me to the house. Ooh! We're here! It's a rainy day. Maulan na hapon. Ay, shift to run. Okay, sure. Please, don't you want anything to drink? Hey, Daddy! Ay. Patay mo lumabas. Saan ako pupunta? Dito? Ayaw mo din. Lahat na lang ayaw mo. O gusto mo dito? Dito! Oh, employees only. Employee ka ba dito? Grabe yung atmosphere ng game. Bigla nagbago. Okay, sure. Well, never mind. I'm just gonna go na lang. Oh, nagka-music! Wow! Wow, amazing Felicimo jeans. Amazing. Bleach. Excuse me? Where did you put it? What is this place? Where's bleach? I need bleach. What even is this place? Who are you? Galit ka? Noah? Nap time sober, we're here. Ah! It's a dream! Panaginip! Oh, we're here. You said you could do this. Wake up now. Wake up, Noah. Noah, wake up. Panaginip! Noah, wake up. You still think you can do this? You can do this? I got this. Roy called and said the key should be under the fake rock. Okay. He said it's in the backyard, okay. And like I said, keep the doors locked and don't open the door for anyone. I heard you the first time, Dad. Okay, now get your ass to work. I hope you know I'm only in it for the snacks. Tatay mo talaga no? Ang daming alam I can finally work. This is my workplace for a couple of days. Sabi, 'di ba? Di couple of days ay magtatrabaho dito. Ganun na lang tayo. Ganyan hare-hare Had to get the key from the backyard. Yeah, backyard, sure. Sabi mo Kwento mo yan The fake rock was by the old doghouse. Kung yun yung bago, okay, ito. There you go! I knew it the first time. Ganun lang yun. Ipasok! There you go! Nice one. Okay, masyadong madilim. Never mind. Let's familiarize the place muna. Do not disturb for any reason. Okay. Ayan. Wait lang, pinapamiliarize ko nga yung lugar Okay, so ganito yung setup. Just in case lang that we might miss something. Okay. You have to pee. Let's pee. Let's go. Air's just bigger than ours. Okay, shut up. Not that. Hey, it's a room. 10/10. Pasado. Pwede ba natin anuin? Woohoo! Main mag-SS. Thank you for taking up the job, kid. I really appreciate you doing this. I'm sorry I had to leave early. Mr. Carson? Is this Mr. Carson? 513-73844. Tawagan ko nga yan. Joke lang. My bad, it's Rory. Got this contact from Walter. Work is really getting the best of me here. Oh, no problem, Mr. Carson. My pleasure, really. He's my dad. Okay, for now, I think that's all we can do. Royal was too lazy to model the garage. Okay, sure. Sana all tamad. May text si Mr. Carson. I wouldn't have asked for anyone if it wasn't for Zeke. Zeke? Wait, si Zeke? Boy's been sick lately. Ah, si Zeke ba yung yung doggo sa labas? Yo, doggo! Siya yun, di ba? Ayun yung aso. Ito, di ba, si Zeke? Zeke! Ang cute. Cute naman ng Zeke na yan. Diyan ka muna. Mamaya na kita may trabaho pa ako eh. Okay. Now, what am I supposed to do? You are a lifesaver, kid. Oh no, take care of him in the house. Now that I'm here, you have nothing to worry about, Mr. Carson. Speaking of him, I wanted to remind you it is dinner time. If you could get him his dog food from the basement, right on it. Okay, sure thing. The basement was a little too dark. Little too. It's too much, okay? Ano makikita ako sa ganito? Low? Tsaka ba't naman nasa basement? Pwede ka naman mag-stock na lang sa kitchen, ganun. Almost forgot. I apologize for those days in the basement. You can grab the flashlight in the storage room upstairs. No problem. Okay. Flashlight. Storage room. Sige, sure. Okay, wait lang. Ba't ako tinatayuan ng balahibo? Wala pa nangyayari. Okay, wala. Have to use. Okay. Nice one. Ito na. Ang lifesaver natin na flashlight. Na kahit kailan sa buong game na to, ito yung gagamitin natin. This is the one. This. Let's go and open this sheesh. And yeah, pretty much ganoon na yun. Yun! Bukas na. Okay, tara na. Sige na, gawin na natin to. Pakainin natin si Zeke. Yung aso ni, yung doggo ni Mr. Carson. Yeah. I already poured. Okay. Nasaan na yung doggo natin? Doggo? Where are you? Zeke? Asa si Zeke? Nawala? Huh? Ba't nawala si Zeke? Saan punta yun? Ay! Sorry! Ang itim mo kasi! Ayaw ka lang pala ayun Sorry, hindi kita nakita, Zeke. Masyado ka kasing masyado ka maitim Hirap pong makita sa dilim. Okay, close the door. There you go. Okay, just in case wala naman siguro tayong... Ay, wait! Upo muna tayo saglit. Saglit lang. Yan, very good. Okay. Hey kid, heard from Walter you're on computer whiz, huh? I have a favor to ask. My computer has been acting weird lately and my whole security system is tied to it. Oh yeah, you got a whole security system set up here? Well, mamaya na yung si Evelyn. Ayusin muna natin mga pinapagawa sa atin ni Mr. Carson. We need to work hard. Trabaho muna. Bago lang. Yup, ito nga. How about a big expensive equipments laying around? Don't want anything happening to it. Yeah, I understand. I'll just take a look at your computer. Which is this one. Power. Can I just leave it here? Mr. Carson office looks like a good spot. I can sit down to work at. Okay. I remember I was doing calculus that night. You're doing calculus? Thanks, kid. Yeah, right, Mr. Carson. Yeah, sabi ko na Sabi na Carson 5387. Carson 5387. Try natin yan. Sige. Wait lang. Ay, nakid ka. Ayun, so, Carson. There you go. 5387. Hey! We did it on the first time. Angas. Grabe. The system has encountered a critical error. Oh, shoot. Ano to? Free trial for limited period. Your children catch cold, your computer catch viruses. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin. Antivirus 96. Pwede ka naman siguro doon sa Window Defender na lang. Virus protection, threat defense, PC tools, malware protection. Okay. Protect your system with effective antivirus solution. Live 24/7 threat, anti-bot, multi-layer, one-click installation. Download na. Sige, download natin. Kapag ba nag-download ako dito sa antivirus na website na to na obviously may virus din, mawawala ba yung virus? Madadagdagan pa? Nakakuha ka ng Trojan. Tapos sunod mo makukuha, malware na, no? Okay, done. Close na natin yan, no? Okay na ba? Okay na, nagagamit na natin yung website. Ayun! Nagagamit na natin. Very na. Akala ko may nakita kong aso. Baka nag-bug lang. Oh, she. May text natin si Miss person. It's done. It was just some Trojan. I recommend you only download softwares from trusted website. Nag-advise yung hindi gumawa, no? This school is full of assholes. I know, right? But I don't think you're an asshole. I don't think you're either. Let me call you in a bit. Pick up. I really wish you could come tonight. Me too. Things you do to keep your old man happy. You know, I haven't been a good kid to him. If your dad doesn't think you're a good kid, I don't even wanna know what mine think about me. Ruffy? Or Ruff? I just think I really disappointed him with Kara. Not again, Noah. You have to stop beating yourself up about it. Wait, did that bitch call you again? I just can't help but still feel so stupid. It wasn't your fault, period. Anyways, you've got some making up to do here. The gorge next weekend, wink wink. Sana all wink wink. This little baby, okay, sure. Can I take a look? Oh, it's a pusa, yes. I'm honestly jealous of Ava Rofel? Ewan ko paano. I know, right? Just this weirdest dream ever. Oh, what was it about? Wait, reminds me of cooking with Jeffrey on Channel 10 last night. By the way, the rerun must be on right now. You gotta watch it with me. Okay. Wait, that place got a TV? Yeah, hold on. Ngayon sa manonood tayo sa TV. Well, no problem with that. Iwan muna natin yung flashlight dyan. I don't wanna cause a trouble. More likely, ayoko magkaroon ng problema na about na naman sa flashlight. Kaya, mag-ano-ano lang tayo dyan. Iwan lang natin sa room. Ganun. Like, we're just gonna shut up and watch the TV. There you go. Hey, by the way, I also think you should get the groceries before it gets dark. Too dark outside. There's some question my nights and groceries. Crunch, strawberry jam. Okay. So, balik kinat ko na lang yung part na kung saan ay... Shut up, TV. So, kinat ko na lang yung part na syempre sa TV, which is, it's all about sa cooking show lang naman ni Jeffrey at nothing special. No, but you're missing the best part. Shut up. Ayoko na. I hate that part, okay? So, just shut the freak up. So, nightstand. Where's that, money? Where's the money? Nightstand, di ba dito? Hindi. Storage room yan. Ito? This one? No? Mr. Carson's bedroom had this weird smell of wet clothes. Ito nga yung room niya. We got the cash. Okay. Saan ko iwan naman tong Wait. Saan ko kaya possibly pwedeng iwan tong flashlight? I don't. Sige, dito na lang. Sa lamesa na lang. Ay. Huwag ka mahuhulog. There you go. We're gonna go sa groceries, no? So, for your trouble, get something for yourself as well. It's on the house. Thank you. Tanggalin natin yung sinulat ko kanina. Okay lang yan. So, paano papunta ng grocery? Naglalakad? Take Alex bikes. Ay! Bike. Oh, may bike tayo. Oy, may bike, oh. Dang, BMX ba to? Ay, hindi. Hindi siya BMX. Ewan ko kung anong bike to. Dahan-dahan. Baka naman pati yan, sumemplang ka pa. Mahirap na tol. Anong bike to? Hindi to BMX eh. Pretty sure it's not. May may klaseng bike to, hindi ko lang alam eh. Oops, huwag mo akong babanggain. There you go. Yeah! 9:22 PM. Okay. Grabe, ilang minuto lang ba yung Ilang minuto lang ba yung nabot? Kanina pa to, sakyan na to Nakasalubong kita nung papunta ako. Ngayon naman na nandito na ako, nakasalubong pa din kita. Nani daw, what? Yeah! Diyan ka lang. Very good. Very nice. Let's go. Okay, ito yung basket. Okay. Ooh. And speaks of the devil. Turn Andy. Bro, your girl was here. Just left. My girl? What was her name? Kara or... Yung about sa kanina, nakita in convo nila Evelyn, bago niya. Dude, I said they're not dating anymore. Oh yeah, he up to that other chick. So quick, I didn't even realize. Don't listen to him, but dude, she bought tons and tons of cans. I think she's throwing like a party or something. You know anything about it? Bro, she looks way older without the makeup. MILF energy, bro. Ew, I think she's more of like a goth. Goth? Goth MILF energy. There you go. Anyways, dude, what are you up to? How's eating? Yeah. You mean that Alex? He goes to the school with my sister. Your kids are real weird, especially since his parents split up. Yeah, you guys have fun. Alright, dude. See you at school on Monday then. See you around, Andy. So, ano yung mga kailangan natin? Brunch, strawberry jelly, choco spread, milk and egg, get garden peas and get honey, rice, Uncle Tony only, ketchup. So, choco spread, strawberry, kumuha ka. Ketchup and ranch, and ano pa ba? Ito? Yeah, yung honey, ito. Then what's next? What could possibly the next? Ito, green. Labo masyado. Naka medium quality ako, pero ba't parang ano naman to, naka low quality. Uncle Tony, this one. Milk. There you go. Ay, sorry ma'am. Sorry. There you go. Alam ko I can interact with this lady eh. Diba? Sabi na eh, no? Hey son, do you work here? No. Okay son, why? Na-miss out ko yun Who told you na tutulungan kita? No way! Ba't kita tutulungan? Sino ka ba? Should I build this for you? Yes, please. I just wanna go out, okay? I just wanna leave. Oh, kala ko sasaraduhan mo na ako dito. Hindi pwede yun. Saka may nagtutumba talaga ng bike ko dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino, pero yeah. Umayos ka! Ano ba? Umayos ka sabi. Sige, banggain mo. Banggain mo lahat. Sige, wag mo palampasin kahit na sino. Banggain mo. Diyan ka magaling eh. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Sige. 9:46 PM. Mga ilang minuto din yung tinagal nun Okay. Malayo-layo din pa. Oh, okay. So, pauwi na tayo. Shortcut yata. Shortcut ba tayo? Yeah. Ito na yung bahay kasi doon tayo dumaan kanina. Yeah, shortcut nga tayo. Ayos. Matalino kang nilalangtor. Madiskarte ka. Ayos. Pagpatuloy mo yan. I had to pee again. I was starting to feel a little hungry around that time. Okay. I still had a lot of schoolwork to catch up on. Okay. Sige. Okay. So, we're gonna go to the CR. Lapag muna natin to syempre. And give him my flashlight. Very nice. So, ito, lalapag na lang natin to dito sa Dito po. Dito. Yeah. Huwag ka mahulog. Ano ba? Ginagawa mo. Ano ba? Yan. Okay, let's go. We need to find the CR. Baka may alternate tayo dito. Ito. Yan! Very good. Tol, nakakaramdam ka na ba ng relief? Kasi ako, Hindi na, nagbibiro lang naman ako eh. Pasensya na. Sorry Nagbibiro lang naman ako, just for fun lang eh. Alam mo yon. There you go. Yeah. And yeah. There you go. Grabe, Andy. Dude, you said you're at Carson, right? You need to see this. Search up Roy Carson divorce on the internet. Right now. Roy Carson divorce. Okay. Roy Carson divorce. Wait lang. Okay. So, Roy Carson divorce. Yan. There you go. Now, what do we got here? Roy Carson, co-founder of BN Media, allegedly receiving death threats from the angry fans of his ex-wife. I've seen enough talaga, okay? Like, it is unusual for audience to be nosy about some of the celebrities' personal matter, but sometimes, it's just too overbearing, okay? We see something similar with the case of Roy Carson, the COO and co-founder of BN Media. After his very public breakup and divorce with his wife, former actress Alisa Brown Carson has allegedly been receiving death threats from the fans of Alisa Brown for the rumored infidelity that underwent within the said relationship. Dang, that situation is okay, My. Oh my, wait lang. We need to see who's that. Someone was at the front door. Meron? Meron. Ito si... Who the heck are you? Sino ka? Hindi ka pala sino ka. Inira ka ng mama mo. Pero wala ka nga palang nanay. Joke. Yeah. Who is it? Your delivery for your one medium size from pizza. Ano? Medium size from Pizza Depot, sir. What delivery? Your one medium size pepperoni pizza. You must be at the wrong address. This is 224 Boulevard, right? That's correct? It's ordered by the name of, Roy Carson? Open. Trusted na eh. Yeah, here we go. Very nice. Grabe ba? Hey, this is probably a very strange request, but do you think I can wait inside until the rain's over? I'm not sure my dad would like that. He's upstairs. Shut up. Oh, I understand. Well, you have a good day. Kuya, alis na. Hindi ka basta-basta mababasahan yan, no? Okay ka lang? Paano ka mababasa sa ganun eh? May sombrero ka. Tapos, ha? Sa'yo na yun? Sige na, oo.
Escape.
May kumatok. Ay, doorbell pala. Anong kumatok? May nag-doorbell. Saan natin agad? Open. It's a flower. Okay, sure. Diyan na lang yung flower niya. Wala akong pakialam dyan. Kumakain ako eh. Ay no, isang piraso na lang tsaka pa ng istorbo. Baliw ka ba? Okay ka lang? Like hello? Kainin mo na yan. Dami mo pang arte sa buhay. Papalibag na kita eh. Tara na nga. Sige, nakit na tayo. Oh, let's go na. We need to go upstairs. Mga pala. Sorry. My bad. Hindi na. And so I did. O, diba? Napakaangas. Napakagaling. Okay? Unknown sender. Hey, how are you? What did you have for dinner? Tsaka may text natin si Mr. Carson eh. Look out for some pizza. It should arrive any minute now. Enjoy. What did you have for dinner? Hey, how are you? I'm si Andy, yung kanina, tsaka... No, but you're missing the best part. What you doing? Good night, Noah. Hope everything's okay. Itong si Evelyn pala, yung bago. Okay, I assume it was a wrong number. Technically, everyone will think it's a wrong number. It was strange, but I dismissed the thought as a weird coincidence and move on. Yeah, never mind. Just do your homework and... Besides, I had a lot of work to catch up on. Engrossment. Wow, grabe siya mag-review. Alam mo yung gagawin yan? Tamang ganun ka na lang. Kung ito yung notebook na sa harapan, gaganunin mo na lang talaga sa utak mo. Kasi kulang ka na sa oras ng pagre-review. Ano yun? 1:36 AM. From 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 5 oras ka na gumagawa ng assignment, ba't di ka pa rin tapos? Nani daw? What? Anong sender? Are you by yourself? Why do you keep ignoring me? Why are you always so mean? You are being immature right now. Fine, if you're gonna be like that, I don't need you anyways. Study so much hotter anyways. Who are you? Based sa pagkakachat niya, parang karelasyon natin siya or something. I don't freaking get it. May nakapark na kotse dun. Besides, him and I were only people when I was sitting. Sorry, hindi ko nabasa yun ah. Sorry, pasensya na. Yeah. May tinatawalan si Zeke. It was suddenly very cold outside. Zeke, okay ka lang? Did I just saw someone? I think I just saw someone na tumakbo, tapos bigla nawala. What the heck? Ano yun? Ewan ko kung siguro nahagip lang ng paningin ko yun eh. Hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo, pero may tumakbo talaga. Like, what the heck is going on? Okay. Turn the power back. Now we got the power. I could tell somebody had got the power off from outside. Okay. But who could possibly do that? You say we'd stay friend. Nakapasok na! Narinig niyo yun? May nag-ring na cellphone. I need to know who is this. Bigla nagbago yung atmosphere. Ano nangyayari? Biglang nagbago yung atmosphere. Uy! Pasok, akyat, 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 akyat. Hindi. We're not gonna die this time, okay? Hindi na. Oo, hindi na. Just get back to your homework, tol, okay? Ganun na lang. There you go. Naks, calculus, oh. Grabe, napakaangas. Calculus, di ibig sabihin college student na tayo dito. I had a strange gut feeling about the situation. It might sound stupid na, but I just didn't wanna overthink things. May bumunot ang kutsilyo. Shit! Andito na siya. Sigurado na. Dumating na talaga siya. I think nasa kitchen na siya ngayon eh. Nagja-jump siya na from every room to room siya, ganun. So, we have to be careful right now, okay? Not to get caught. Never mind. Okay, never mind. Sige. Relax lang. Kaya to. Oh, relax lang. Huwag mo susuruduan. Yeah. There you go. Dali, check mo sa camera. Sa camera mo i-check. Feeling ko nagtatago siya sa blind spot eh. Ayan oh. I could swear on my life, I didn't turn that oven on. Bukas na yung pinto sa likod. Oh, shoot. Nagtatago nga siya sa mga blind spot ng camera. Pero paano niya nalalaman yung blind spot? How? I don't know anymore. Hindi ko na talaga alam. Oo. Paano niya nalalaman kung saan yung blind spot nun? What the heck? Sarado na ulit to. Okay, wala na siya. Yeah, takbo na lang. Takbo pabalik. Ganun na lang gagawin natin. Okay? Grabe, tinatayuan ako ng balahibo sa senaryo na to ah. Huwag naman sa... Look, it made me very uncomfortable knowing he was in the house. He? Siguro, I had to confront him. Don't you dare. I didn't have his contact. I could only ask Andy. Escape to ask Andy, right? There you go. Can you send me Turner's contact? Ask him to quit messing. Yeah, you need to quit messing around. But babae yun. He's messing with what? He's been snooping around the house. This is not cool. Yeah. Wala masabi. Question mark? Dude, he's at my place right now. No. I attributed all of that to lack of my sleep. In that moment, schoolwork became listening. I have tendency of being overly paranoid. Okay, sure. The only logical thing I could think of at that time was to keep an eye on the security monitor. That's what you should do, okay? We just need to keep... Now that I think about it, I should have called the cops. But at the time, I was so engrossed in my own thoughts that the idea never even entered my head. Okay. Hindi ko siya makita. Nasaan na ba siya? Si Andy. Wait lang, may sa atin si Andy. Wait lang. Dude, we were gonna go to the movies with Brady, but then started pouring, so we stuck with the sleepover. Dude, wait, did you check out that article I was... it was Brady who told me about it. Oh, this is real sketchy. Tsaka may naririnig na ako naglalakad. Sino yun? Who the heck is... Ayun siya. I felt my heart skip a bit. Ayun siya oh. Ayun oh. Kita niyo yan? I froze and kept staring at the screen in pure horror. Dito siya Babae nga. Teka. Sherin ba yung nakita natin kanina ng papasok pa lang tayo ng supermarket? Nagbukas pa ng TV. Wala nang palabas ang alauna. Bobo ka ba? O saan ka ngayon pupunta na sunod? Dadaan-daan pa siya. Kala niyo hindi siya nakikita sa camera oh. Huli ka. Expose ka na. Ayan ka oh. Kitang-kita ka na. Nakikita ka na po. Huwag ka nang huwag ka nang magdahan-dahan. Walang tao. Wala kang tao sabi, okay? Walang tao diyan. Nandito ako. Dito. Yan. Yan. She was right outside the door to the room I was in. Patay ka, tol. Yun lang masasabi ko. I thought my heart would pound right out of my chest. I think we need to interact with her. No? Noah? Are you in there? I really miss you. Whatever's happening between us, we can work it out together. What do you want? I've always been nothing but nice to you. But you always treated me like shit. You need help, Kara. I know everything. I know you left me for her. This is exactly why. But I love you. What about that? You need to leave right now. You deserve a second chance. You know I could turn you into the police for this. Do it and I will fucking kill both of you. Okay. Huwag kayo mag-iingay. Di naman narinig yung mic kasi naka-earphone ako. Bale yung mic ko na, if I can't help you. No one else should. Hindi ako naririnig sa game, sa in-game mismo dahil naka-earphone ako. Itong earphone ko naka-connect sa laptop, okay? So yung mic nasa CP. Tosh. Okay, maingay.
Noah.
Anong Noah? Walang Noah! Ay. Di ba? Kahit sumigaw ka, di ako maririnig niyan. Bonak yan eh. Di ako maririnig niyan. Di ba? Diba? Ang laki mong uto-uto. Oh. Talikod na. Butok. Don't think anything else. Just run. I left the house and ran down the block. My dad called the cops. So by the time they arrived, she had already left the house. But I knew where she lived. Kara was one of the first people I met on a dating site. She was 3 years older than me, but I found her cute, so we started dating. However, 2 months into our relationship, she started doing meth. I tried to get her help. She turned it around on me as if I was trying to change her. One day I had enough and I had to break up with her. I told her to leave and never contact me again. She was pissed. She was trying to convince one of the cops she didn't intend on doing anything wrong that night. But of course, the cop wasn't buying it. They reviewed the footage and it showed everything. From the point of her entry to the moment she grabbed the kitchen knife. But the thing that messed with me the most was the fact that nothing was stolen from the house. Turns out, she was heavily under the influence of the drug and alcohol at the time. She was arrested and sentenced for a long while. Tapos na. Hopefully naman nag-enjoy ka din mga kalods dahil yes, another episode of Fears of Fatima ang natapos natin at ngayon ay ang Carson House naman. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo doon dahil ako nag-enjoy ako ng sobra. Sana kayo din. So yeah, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Alright tayo dyan. Balisimo. Bufa. Temple.